Hi and welcome to La Jenny 21 Nails. I'm Jenny. If you enjoy my content and you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. Today I'm going to be sharing this beautiful package that was sent to me from Nicole Diary. It's their nail dip system. These are the beautiful colors that are included in this set, and I'll have links to all the products in the description box of the video. I'm also going to share with you guys my first experience trying these products. These are the two colors I use for my manicure. Prep the nails and clean them well. Apply step 1, which is the bond, to all the nails. Prepare the color that you're going to use by opening up the lid. Then do one nail at a time and apply the base on 3/4 of the nail and immediately dip into the powder at a 45-degree angle. Tap off the excess and then move on to the next nail. Once you do all the nails, go back and use a little brush to remove the excess. We're going to repeat the process on all the nails, but this time we're going to apply the base almost at the cuticle. You can follow these steps until you have the desired color. I decided to try out a different shade of pink on my right hand, and I really like the way this one looks. It's very natural. Now it's time for step 3, and I'm going to apply this on all the nails, and you have to apply it evenly. This will make the glue completely dry. This one takes about 2 to 3 minutes to work, so you have to let it dry. Once the activator is dry, we can go ahead and file and shape our nails. We can also use a buffing block. Once I'm done filing and shaping, I'm going to go ahead and use a lint-free pad with a little bit of alcohol to clean my nails. Now we're going to apply the activator one more time and allow it to dry. And it's finally time for the top coat. It's important to apply the top coat carefully, just doing the least amount of strokes possible. We apply it on all the nails and we wait for it to dry. Now that it's dry, I can apply the top coat one more time. Since the brush is a little stiff, I'm going to go ahead and put it here in my brush saver. And we wait for it to dry. And here's the completed manicure. I really love this system. It was very easy to use and I think it looks gorgeous. I'll give you guys an update later on to see how long it lasts. Thank you to Nicole Diary for sending me these products to review and share with you. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!